Hello everyone. So in this video we'll discuss next question. Look at the question number 4. Z Limited has prepared the budget for the production of 1 lakh units. Now they have given the budget for 1 lakh units from a costing period as under. So they have given particulars per unit. Raw material is variable cost, okay, that is 10.08. Direct labor is variable cost and direct expenses is variable cost. Please remember all three are variable cost, that is 10.08, 3.40. And work overheads 60% fixed. So whenever they give information like this, please keep it in mind. 60% is fixed, 40% is variable. Okay, now out of 10 rupees, 6 rupees is fixed cost and 4 rupees is variable cost. And administration overheads total we have 1.60. Out of that 80% is fixed, that means 100 minus 80 is 20% is variable. And next one we have sales overhead. Sales overhead out of that 50% is fixed and balance 50% is variable. Total we have 0.80. Actual production in the period was only 60,000 units. Look at here, they have given budget for 1 lakh, but the actual output was only for 60 units. Prepare the budget for the original as well as revised. So original is 1 lakh and revised is 60,000. You have to prepare now. We have identified what and all variable, what and all semi variable and what and all fixed cost. In this question we don't have any full fixed cost, but we have variable and semi variable cost. Now what you have to do, you have to prepare budget for 1 lakh as well as 60,000. Now that is what they have given. Flexible budget for the period, item of the cost, original budget and revised budget, that is 1 lakh and 60,000. So first we'll take all three variable. Okay, direct raw material. See, variable cost per unit will remain same, 10.8, 10.8. Just to multiply it with 1 lakh and 60,000. So we will get 10 lakh 8,000, 6 lakh 4,800. And even direct labor is variable cost. What is a variable cost per unit? 3 rupees. That will remain same, 3. So 3 into 1 lakh, 3 into 60,000. We will get 3 lakh, 1 lakh 80,000. And even direct expenses we have 0.40. 0.40 into 1 lakh, 0.40 into 60,000, because all these three are variable cost. So if we do, we will get how much? 40,000 and 24,000. Done. So if you add all these things, please remember direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, all three will form prime cost. If you total, you will get 13.48, 13 lakh 48,000, and here it will be same, but total cost will be 8 lakh 8,800. Next we have to go for semi variable. All these three are semi variable. Okay, we'll go one by one. First one, work overhead. Out of that 60% is fixed. Please remember 10 into 60%. So how much will get? 6 rupees. 6 rupees is fixed cost. This is for how many units? This is for 1 lakh units. So just you have to multiply. How much we will get? For 1 lakh 60,000 we will get, 6 rupees we will get 6 lakh, and just you have to, the same amount will be there. Please remember fixed cost will remain same irrespective of level of output. Okay, 6 lakh. Now out of 10 rupees, 6 rupees is fixed, that means variable will be how much? 4 rupees, and 4 rupees variable cost per unit will be same, 4 into 1 lakh, 4 into 60,000. If you multiply, you will get 4 lakh and 2.4 lakh. Done. We are done with work overheads. We'll go to administration. Out of administration, out of 1.60, 80% is what? Fixed cost. That means 20% is variable. So if you multiply, we will get how much we will get? 1.28 we will get. Okay. So fixed cost is 1.28, we will get 1.28 into 1 lakh, then we will get 1 lakh 28,000, and same amount you have to write here. Fixed cost, total fixed cost will be same. Okay, and out of 1.60, 1.28 is 1.28 is what? Fixed cost, total cost. That means variable cost will be 0.32. So 32 will remain same, 32 multiply with 1 lakh, multiply with 60,000, so we will get 32,000 and 19,200. We are done with 2 items. The next one we have is sales. See, 50% is fixed, so 0.8 into fixed 50% it will be 0.4. 0.4 into 1 lakh units, so 40,000. See, why I am taking 1 lakh, because they have given for the original quantity, that is 1 lakh. So then 40,000 you have to write here, same amount. Now out of 0.8, 0.4 is fixed, that means 0.4 is variable. Okay, now 0.4 will remain same, 0.4 0.4 0.4 into 1 lakh, 0.4 into 60,000, then we will get 40 and 24. Now if you had this prime cost and this all these overheads, you get 25.88, and here 13,48,000 into 25, 13,48,000 plus all these overheads will get 25. The same if you add, you will get 31 and 18,60,000, which is very easy. Okay, I think the concept is clear. If you have any doubts, please clarify your doubts through WhatsApp. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.